You're watching CBS 2 News in high definition.
That is some hardware to help you lose weight. Remember those pedometers?
Yeah, now those high-tech gadgets do much more than just count steps. They can track your every move, even while you sleep, helping you shed pounds faster than ever.
Whether you're trying to lose weight, move more, or train harder, there is a fitness gadget for you.
It's about your entire day. So when you have this device, it's going to encourage you to make small changes throughout the day, and those changes really add up.
Jacqueline Emmerich says personal activity devices are for everyone. Worn on the arm, wrist, or clipped to a waistband, the trackers have sensors that measure movement.
They track the calories you burn throughout the day, the minutes that you're active during a day, your distance, your pace, the stairs that you climb, the hills that you walk up.
And unlike pedometers, they do much more than measure steps.
A lot of them will use a 3D motion sensor, an accelerometer, and an altimeter, which is going to track that 360-degree movement. So you're not just moving forward and backward.
Personal trainer Sam Cardona says it's easy to track your progress because these devices sync to computers and smartphones.
Everyone has a phone, and it's so natural. Everyone's always looking at it, always checking their email. So to use it to monitor your fitness is just a logical progression.
These sneakers use technology that measure how high you step or jump. Some of the new devices will track you 24/7, even while you sleep.
It's going to tell you how long it took you to fall asleep. It's going to tell you how many times you woke up at night, and it's going to tell you that quality of sleep that you get.
You can program a personal goal with this band. The display changes color when you achieve it.
It made me want to just get up and walk more, and I found that at the end of the day, if I wasn't near that goal that I had set for myself, I would just try to exert a little more energy to get to that final goal.
This device plays music. It also reads your texts, tweets, and Facebook messages out loud.
You won't be able to respond, but you're going to hear those.
One gadget isn't enough for Jay Travis. He's using 3 to train for a 120-mile charity bike ride.
We have to bike on average between 12 to 15 miles per hour. And for me, who's just kind of coming from zero, it's very hard for me to keep up.
And the message he's getting?
It is definitely telling me to work harder, much like my coaches.
Go, go, go. Some of the devices have a diet component that will let you precisely log your food and water intake.
Once you figure out how to use them, right?